Alright, back again, everyone. Yeah, I know this channel has been having a weird moment because I constantly talk about freaking hot dogs and pretty much have this little kick about that. Honestly, you could blame it on a lot of things, but honestly, I'll personally blame it on my ADD. And sometimes just talking a bunch about a topic I'm interested in, even though it is the kind of weird or strange topic that most people probably wouldn't find useful to make multiple YouTube videos about. But hey, I'm back at it again. So yeah, I talked about hot dogs made from meat and how there's some veggie hot dogs, but there are many ways to make veggie hot dogs. One of them is by taking a bunch of carrots and then turning them into hot dogs. I kid you not. There's apparently a method of basically be able to take a carrot and then you end up curing it. Why do you cure it? Because you gotta turn a carrot into something that even remotely shapes and tastes like a hot dog. Honestly, that seems pretty nice and pretty brilliant way to basically take the taste of hot dogs and to convince people to eat some carrots so they can help improve their eyesight. I think. Hey, is that really true that carrots improve your eyesight, or is it just something that our mamas made up? So anyway, you basically create a carrot hot dog by taking a carrot and you're supposed to marinate it in some type of smoky sauce, according to ChatGPT. And then after that, you cook it until it's tender and then you serve it on a hot dog bun, just like you would a normal hot dog, and add stuff like condiments, relish, some chili, and all the other nice delicious things you would expect for a hot dog. The whole point is to basically have something that truly mimics the taste and texture of a nice, juicy, meaty hot dog, all within something that could be considered vegetarian or vegan, so pretty much everyone can enjoy it even if they are not into meat. Honestly though, I have no clue if these things actually truly taste exactly like hot dogs or not. But who knows, maybe one of these days I'll actually try a carrot hot dog. And then I'll be able to give you guys a little rating and see if it truly tastes just like the authentic article or not. So yeah, that's pretty much all I gotta talk about for this unique type of vegetarian hot dog. So feel free to stick around for more topics. I probably might talk a little bit more about hot dogs, but hopefully I might also add some new topics to keep this channel fresh. So until then, peace out.